Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. So like you read in the title, I have another unboxing from Forever 21. Forever 21 is one of my favorite stores, so I'm always online shopping there just because I love to shop, and Forever 21 is very affordable, so why not? Okay, so I have a box full of cool new goodies. So I went ahead and opened it, but I haven't unpacked it. So I'm gonna go unpack it with you guys. So bear with me as I unpack this whole box. So this is the box. I know, so many stuff. Also, I am wearing my natural curly hair today, so if you guys like it, let me know. I've been embracing my curls lately. My husband likes them, so I've been trying to, wear them more often. Okay, so let's start out with shoes. I sometimes buy a lot of shoes, sometimes I don't. Today happened to be one of the times that I bought 2 pairs just because the trend of clear heels has been here for a while and I kind of really like it, and so I want to dive more into wearing clear heels. So I went ahead and purchased these that I saw online. I took the foaming out just because I needed to try them on, needed to make sure that they fit for sure, and they do, so I'm really happy. These are the clear ones, and I really like that they're like the wedge style where it's not a thin heel, so I really like that trend. And they were very affordable, so I said, hey, let me go ahead and try it, see if I like it. And so far, I'm really in love with how they look, so I'm excited to try them. And I'm excited to wear them around and let you guys know how I feel about them. And these were, let me go ahead and check, $22.90. So yeah. Okay, so for the next shoe, I went ahead and got something a little more of like what I would get normally. It comes in this box. And it's these black, they're kind of like mule but not mule style because they're not closed, but I love the like sparkles in the middle. It had me when I saw how sparkly it was because I love sparkly things. I'm a girl who doesn't like sparkly things, and they're black, so you can wear these pretty much with anything. So yeah, really like these, really cute. Okay, so that was it for the shoe parts of it. Oh, let me tell you guys how much the shoes were. So the shoes don't have a tag, but they were around $20 to $22, just like the heels that I just showed you, just because I remember them being around the same price point, and that's why I got them. Okay, so moving on to the clothes part, which I'm really excited for because I love clothes. If you know me, you know that I'm all about the clothes, the outfit. I do like hair and makeup, but it's just not, something that I'm very into, versus like clothes and outfits and fashion is just my jam. I just love it. So I got a couple of good stuff for the summer, so let's go ahead and dive right into it. Okay, so the first thing I see is this stripe, white and black. I think this is a 2-piece set, if I remember clearly. Okay, so yes, it is. So here's the top. It's almost crop top, but not really because the shorts go up. So yeah, this is really cute. I love the print. It's very summery, so I know I'm gonna get a good wear out of them. And in a size small, and these were $27.99. And this is together because it's a 2-piece. So I paid that much for both of them. And here is the skirt. How cute is the skirt? So it's tied. Let me go ahead and tie it for you guys so you guys see the full effect. Go. I didn't do like a fancy tie, but you know, you get the picture. It's really cute. I think that this would look so nice with like some white sandals or blue sandals, or if you wanted to dress it up, you can wear it with some heels and then it would look really pretty too. But yes, these are so cute. I would definitely repurchase this in a different color because this is so cute. And if you're like me, I love two-piece sets just because it's easy when I'm in a rush. I know, hey, let me grab these shorts, this skirt with this top, and it's gonna look nice, and then I just have to worry about my shoes. Or I can mix match where I can wear the top with some jeans. Okay, so the next thing that I see in the box is this black dress. I remember this dress being super cute on the model, and the way she was wearing it looked like a night dress, like something you would wear to like the club or to an event or somewhere more formal. Wow, it's a very fitting dress, so it's gonna hug your body very nice. Wow, look at the details right there. That's really pretty. Yeah, that's nice. So it's strapless, and then it's really cute. I like the material of it, honestly. It's stretchy, but also very hugging, so I love that. And then it has a zipper in the back. You can see the zipper. And then it has this like lining that I like in this inside because it's gonna stick to, you know, your body. Even like the dress I'm wearing right now, which is, you know, a white bodycon dress, strapless. Like, I like how they have this inner material that is gonna hug your skin so that, you know, your dress doesn't go down. So this dress has it as well, and that's really cute. I like that a lot. And this one was $27.90, and that's a cute little dress. Okay, so the next thing I see is this cute polka dotted dress, and I had been eyeing this dress for a while, and I wasn't too sure if I wanted to buy it because the way it looked on the model, it looked like it was, the v-neck came down a little too low for my preference, because like I've said before, I'm in the itty bitty titty bitty committee, so it's not like I have a lot, but you know, when the dresses are bigger and you have smaller boobs, something's gonna show. So let's go ahead and open these. So I love the material of it already. How cute is this? Look at the print. It's such a girly print, so that had me as well. And then look at the ruffles at the bottom. Such cute ruffles. And then the sleeves have this cute ruffle as well. So pretty. Really like that. And this one was $24.90. Cute. I also like the color because I feel like this color looks really good in my skin tone. So I like that. Okay, next, I think this is a black, not t-shirt, but dressy shirt that I had seen and I really liked. So ooh, okay. So this is the way it looks. Sorry about that. My phone just got a notification. So this is the way it looks. It looks really cute, actually. It's very sheer in the arm part, but that's kind of nice because, you know, during the summer, if you want to, you know, have more air, that's so cute. I like the bottom detail of it as well. And this is really cute, and I love black. A cute black shirt is necessary just because, you know, black goes with anything. You could pretty much wear this with jeans or like a skirt, or, you know, whatever you feel comfortable with. And this one was $22.99. Really cute. All right, so we're down to our last two items. The next one is also a matching two-piece set, which I'm excited for because, like I said, I love matching two-piece sets for the summer. There we go. This is the top. It's a tube top. Very cute. Very, very cute. I really like the print of it. It looks really cute, the print. So you can see it up close. Very cute. And this was $32, the matching set. That's the top. And these are the bottoms. They're like pants, but they're open as well. See that? Very pretty. And they have this little tie-up in the front, which is so cute. So cute, so cute. Yeah, so I really like this. Definitely gonna wear it for the summer with some cute sandals or heels, whatever you want to dress it up with. Okay, so the last clothing item in this haul is this cute little shirt. You know, during the summer, who doesn't love a cute little tube top, an over the shoulder shirt? So this is my last item. How cute is this black little bandeau shirt? It's so, so pretty. And I feel like I can wear this with so many things. Like I could just wear it with a skirt or with jean shorts or with jeans or even over overalls. Different things you could do with it. So cute. I just like how it had the white details at the end. I thought that was very different because I already have one that's black like this, full on black. But I thought the white added an extra, you know, an extraness to it. Okay, so this one was $7. How cute is this? Super, super cute. I can already see myself wearing it. Okay, so that was it for everything that I got from my Forever 21 online shopping haul. I am so happy that you guys love watching these videos. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video, of course. Leave a comment saying which item was your favorite or which item you would go ahead and purchase at Forever 21. Also, thank you guys so much. I love you guys so, 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 so much. You guys have no idea. Every comment, every like that you leave warms my heart up with so much joy just because I love doing this and it feels so nice to know that, you know, you guys are watching me and that you enjoy these videos. I love it when you guys subscribe. That lets me know that people do really enjoy my videos. Okay, thank you guys so much. Mwah. Besos y gracias. Thank you again. Bye.